Hello to my phonics group, it's Miss Hocking here and it's time for our Tricky Word Friday. Now it is the last Friday of our half term, it's half term tomorrow, so well done to everybody in my phonics group. You have worked so hard this term and I am so proud of what you've achieved, so well done, you deserve a really good rest. So today for our Tricky Word Friday, first of all we're going to go through the phase 3 tricky words that we've been working on for the last couple of weeks. Then we're going to learn our brand new phase 4 tricky words. So let's cover these up and let's see which ones you can remember. So I'm going to give you an opportunity to say them first and then I will say them just in case you've forgotten. So what's my word? He. Your turn. She. Your turn. We. Well done. Your turn. Me. Great job. Your turn. Be. Great. Your turn. You. Fantastic. Okay, few more. Your turn. Are. Excellent. Your turn. Her. Brilliant. Your turn. Was. Well done. Okay, few more then. This one. Your turn. All. Great work. This one. They. And this one. My. Excellent. Now remember, you can't sound out our tricky words. That is why they are tricky words, because we can't sound them out. They are exceptions to the rules. Okay, so let's have a look at our brand new phase 4 tricky words. Now we're not going to look at all of the phase 4 tricky words today, we're just going to have a look at some of them and we will go through them all properly in the new half term. Okay, so this one we might already be familiar with. This one is said. I say said. You say. Excellent. Have. I say have. You say. Great. I say like. You say. Great. So we've got said, have and like. Okay. This one here. I say some. You say. I say come. You say. You might notice how these two are spelt similar and they sound similar. Some, come. This one's one of my favourite tricky words. I say little, you say. Okay, so those are all of the tricky words that we are having a look at today. Now I have attached this sheet, however you do not need to print it out, so please don't worry about wasting lots of colour. There are loads of these for each of the tricky words in phase 4, so please don't feel like you have to print them all out. Maybe just print a couple maximum if you're printing. Okay, so this is your task today. Here is a picture, and in the picture there are some tricky word letters hidden. Okay, so you might be able to see some already. I can spot that there is a T there, for instance, etc. What you need to do is find each of the letters and put them here when you find them. Okay, you might like to cross through them, or you might like to just remember in your head. Okay, then you are going to have a look at our list of phase 4 tricky words. They are all here. This is all of the phase 4 words. And I want you to find out which word you are unscrambling. So if I carry on, these are all the words, all the letters that I found, and I've put them all here in the order that I found them, and I've unscrambled them. I've had a look at this list, I've unscrambled them, and I've realised that it spells the word little. Now a really good clue for this, or a really good tip, is to work out how many letters there are and then have a look at all of the words that have that amount of letters, okay, to see if it is that word. You can do as many of these as you want to, or as little. I'm going to attach them all, but there is a sheet of these for each of these words, so please do not feel like you need to do all of them, just however many you want to. Or maybe you can have a chip away at them over half term if you fancy it, although I do really want you to have a bit of a chill time over half term. Then, once you've got that out of the way, please can you have a look at your tricky word trucks again? But for this week, we are looking at phase 4 tricky words, so make sure you select phase 4, please. Then we've got your brand new look, cover, write check for your brand new phase 4 words. I want you to just focus on the first sheet today, looking at said, have, like, and so, okay? Now have a fantastic Friday, my lovely phonics group, and I can't wait to see you after half term. Have a fab one. Bye.